Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious fried rice out of leftover white rice. First, ensure your rice is day-old and cold. This is crucial for a non-soggy result. Next, gather all your ingredients. Think about your favorite protein, like chicken or tofu, and a colorful mix of vegetables such as carrots, peas, and corn. Chop everything into small, uniform pieces so they cook evenly and quickly. This preparation step is key to a smooth cooking process. Now let's get cooking. Place a large wok or skillet over high heat and add about 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil. Once the oil is shimmering, add your protein. Cook it thoroughly until it's nicely browned and cooked through, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Then, add your harder vegetables like carrots, cooking for about 2 minutes before adding softer ones, such as peas or corn, and stir-fry until they are tender crisp. It's time to bring in the star of the show, the rice. Push your cooked protein and vegetables to one side of the wok. Add another tablespoon of oil to the empty space. Now, add your cold, day-old rice. Use your spatula to break up any clumps, ensuring the grains separate nicely. Then, pour over your pre-mixed sauce, typically 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and a small pinch of sugar for balance. This will add incredible flavor. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Vigorously stir-fry all the ingredients, mixing the rice, protein, and vegetables thoroughly. Continue cooking for about 2 to 3 minutes, ensuring everything is heated through and the rice develops a slight crispness. You want every grain to be coated with that delicious sauce. Once it's perfectly cooked, transfer your homemade fried rice to serving bowls. Garnish with freshly chopped green onions and enjoy your quick, flavorful meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.